Hi everyone, my name is Jan-Erik Sandberg. Welcome to my course JIRA Fundamentals. I'm a general manager for Q3 Malta, and I've used JIRA extensively for many years. This course is an update of the course I made back in 2013, and it's packed with practical examples and experience-based advice. JIRA is a truly effective tool for tracking issues and following up your development projects. I've used it successfully to manage both large hundreds of million-dollar projects as well as smaller startups. In this course, we are going to focus on the fundamentals of JIRA, and it is suited both for those who will be using the JIRA Cloud platform as well as for those of you who will host it yourself. Topics we will go through include planning, installing, configuring, and extending JIRA. By the end of this course, you'll know everything you need to know to be productive and get started with managing your software development projects with JIRA. I hope you'll join me in learning how to get started with the most effective issue tracker around with JIRA Fundamentals here at Pluralsight.